If you want to know how to take your hair from this to this in just a few easy steps, stick around. So in today's video, I will be demonstrating and explaining some steps on how to do finger coils. So the first step is washing my hair using Aussie shampoo and getting it into my scalp and not just the surface of my hair. And then carefully rinsing it out when finished. This is what my hair looks like. Next, I'm going to be using conditioner to help detangle my hair. You guys could use any conditioner of choice, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so my next step is detangling. I know a lot of people have a hard time with this step, but I find it to be pretty easy and straightforward. So basically, I normally use a wide tooth comb to help me detangle, and I start from my ends and work my way up to my roots. I also find that working in sections can be very useful while detangling. And this is what my hair looks like after being fully detangled. After detangling, I'm going to be using the Big Papa gel to style my hair. I really love how this gel gives me that amazing hold with no crunch, that shine with no frizz, and it's honestly just a perfect gel. So to do the finger coils, I take my section and I take some gel and smooth it onto my hair. So I split my section into subsections and then curl in a circular motion until I get that nice defined curl that I'm looking for. Whenever I do finger coils, I tend to use really small sections because I feel like when I use bigger sections, it doesn't really look like curls anymore. For those wondering, the styling process took me about an hour and 30 minutes. Depending on the styling product of choice, your finger coils may last about a week, but make sure to not leave them in for too long because your hair might start to lock up. So this is what my hair looks like after finishing a few coils, and this is what it looks like when I finish one full side. If you've made it this far into the video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you guys have any questions. And this is what my hair looks like after fully finishing my finger coils. I'm very happy with these results and how they came out. If you guys are happy with them too, make sure to let me know in the comments. But anyways, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.